Hi, a very warm welcome to all the viewers. I am Vanshika Adhikari, a volunteer at Shivi Forensics. And if you guys are preparing for the UGC NET Fact or CUET PG in Forensic Science, you know that ballistics is one of the most trickiest sections, right? So today I'm breaking down high yield MCQs that appear year after year in competitive exams. So let's get started. Our very first question is a classic one. The modified grease test is a chromophoric test specifically used to detect nitrites. Many students confuse this with lead. But remember that grease is for nitrites and it's our primary tool for determining the distance of firing. A positive result usually looks like a spot on filter paper of orange or red color. Okay. Then next up we have the paradox gun. It's a hybrid smooth bore shotgun with the rifling only at the muzzle. So it gives you the power of a shotgun with the accuracy of a rifle. Moving to identification, if you see a question about striation marks, remember that these are individual characteristics, right? While the number of grooves is decided at the factory, striations are unique fingerprints left by the barrel on the bullet. For the history buffs, the evolution of ignition goes matchlock, wheel lock, flintlock, and finally the precaution. Then also always memorize this sequence. Now if you need to find lead specifically, you use the sodium rhodizonate test, and it's a beautiful reaction. If lead is present, you'll see a scarlet or pink color change after adding the reagents. In flight, a bullet doesn't always stay perfectly straight. The angle between its long axis and its path is called yaw. High yaw can lead to larger irregular entry wounds. And here is a tip for the fact exam. The .303 British rifle is famous for having 5 lands and grooves with a left hand twist. Most other rifles having a right hand twist, making the .303 a very popular exam question. Then finally we have the Walker test, which is similar to the grease test. Analyzes nitrite distribution to help us react the crime scene and determine how far the shooter was from the target. That's it for today's breakdown. If you find these PYQs helpful, make sure you like this video and also subscribe for more fantastic deep dives. Good luck with your preparation.